Yes, my people, good day. Do you know what it means to have a revolution? And what it takes to make a solution? Hey, this bolt right here decides say it don't want to come out. It want to be frozen in there. Just as I'm getting ready to complete this job, that's what it's trying to do. No, sir? Mm-mm. So it can be stuck if it's liquid. So I break out the torch and I'm using the torch to heat everything up. Just watch the program. No, don't be scared by the little bit of flames right there. We just have a fire control, water bottle, 2 little squirts, and we're good to go. And then we go again. Quiet, boy, we are talking about. We're good to go. Yep. Warming it up some more, warming it up some more. Fire getting out of control. We call it catawampus. And we just skit, and everything good, nice and under control. Don't worry about the little smoke and thing, man. It's just the natural. Anyway, as we move on, I'm heating it up, trying to get everything nice and warm, free up. I don't want to strip off any threads. I don't want to break off any bolts. I am not in the mood for do no kind of extraction or nothing like that. We just want to remove the bolt, install a new part, keep the thing going. This is just a belt idler, for crying out loud. So we're not trying to overdo the thing. You understand what I'm saying? So break out the ratchet. Let me see what we have now. All right. Still kind of stuck. All right, go back, tighten a little bit, loosen a little bit, so we get kind of force it a little bit there. Yeah. Look like we're making a little bit of progress there. Little bit of progress there. Always happy when it break free. Always happy when it is beyond the point where you think say it might snap off. The kind of movement I'm getting now feel nice. But that dipstick, every time the ratchet handle touch it, it sounds like you want to break it. And we're not trying to add any more work to the work. We're just trying to get it done. Let me see what Milwaukee has to say about this, because this bolt looks like it's 10 meters long. Milwaukee to the rescue. Put it on there, set it to the right thing. All right, let me see what we got. Yep, it's coming right out of here. Yeah, man. Or what it takes to make a solution. Fighting against the corrosion. Why I That's what the thing look like when it come out. Finally. Yo, you have no idea how happy I feel right now knowing so that thing come right out of there. Yep. Put it on right there, so, and we're good to go. We just move on from there and having a wonderful day. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah.